guys, so my name is Vanessa and today I'm going to show you about 3 faculties in Christian University of Indonesia. So come with me to get to know our campus better.
First, the Faculty of Political and Social Sciences. It feels fresh here. The air is full of energy. Young men and women walk quickly through the hallways, some laughing, some looking serious. They all seem to have a destination, either a classroom or the cafeteria. The sun is shining brightly. Its light fills the whole class, making everything looks alive. The Faculty of Medicine. This place feels like a secret. I've never been here before. I wonder, if someone speaks in one of these giant lecture halls, will their voice echo or get lost? The hallways are long and twisty, like a maze. It's warm inside, but it looks like calm but serious. They say to save the best for last. The Faculty of Literature and Language. The walls here don't just stand, they speak. It feels like they're whispering poems and tales from long ago. And maybe they're right.